we have conducted a detailed survey how the public can become millionaire in India and Canada, and found that by little investment in India and Canada, object can be achieved. By doing so, an individual would get a highest return on their achievements, as well as help millions of citizens to migrate overseas. Our country, with few others, is lucky to have higher population, whereas in Western countries birth rate is falling. Hence, it is the need of us to teach our residents to learn English and pass the prescribed exams and become eligible to migrate to Canada. Who can set up IELTS, CELP, PTE centers? If you are a postgraduate or PhD holder in English subject with interest in teaching, you own a suitable place about 150 square yard in the heart of the town. Even the covered space on second, third and fourth floor will be enough. If you are ex-serviceman and want to start your own venture, you can rent a space and hire the service of a suitable teacher, preferably the person who had passed the IELTS exam with minimum 7 bands in each module. You are planning to start your own immediate business in future. You are a retired government employee, teacher or superintendent, or from official level, want to keep yourself busy and passion of running business and pass on to your nears and dears ones. How much funds required? If you want to start online classes and earn in American and Canadian dollars, you need only 1 lakh in Indian rupees, provided you have a spare peaceful room in your own or rented accommodation. If you own a suitable place in the heart of the town, you all need a financial loan of about 2.5 lakhs in Indian rupees. If you need to detailed project report, you can get from our Patiala office by paying only 10,000 plus government tax as applicable. In Canada, its cost will be 1,000 Canadian dollar plus tax as applicable. For more detail, you can contact on our number 9815101148. Thank you.